Go, guys! Yeah, yeah!
Oh, good. That's some nice snow.
Yes, it is. Good gear, eh?
He sure is. Doing it a long time, I guess.
Yeah.
How did you guys all become friends?
Our neighborhood whisperer. This here?
Oh, yeah?
And he beat me, pardon me, I beat him by 20 seconds.
Woo! Give us a smile there, Scott!
Awesome. Nice,
Hollywood, here I come.
Here we are, we're standing at the top of the hill. The guide has abandoned us, and he's going to tell us when we can go again. There goes the helicopter. Yeehaw! Woohoo! Yeehaw, Georgie! Woohoo! Go, Monty.
Okay.
Yeah, go.
I'll do you again.
Okay.
Actually, I'll go down and get you, okay?
Okay, good.
I'll stop right where George is now.
Good.
Yeah, look at you, yeah. You're all shaved.